Evaluate 7/3 plus 2½ When adding fractions together, one's a mixed number, one's an improper fraction, I like to turn them both into improper fractions. Now the first fraction is already an improper fraction, so I'm just going to leave it be. How do I turn the second number into an improper fraction? Well, multiply the whole number that lives out in front to the denominator which lives on the bottom. 2 times 2 is 4. Take that 4 and add it to the numerator. So 4 plus 1 is 5. That becomes your new numerator. Keep your old denominator of 2. Now we have 7/3 plus 5/2. Now, how do I add those? Well, I need the same exact denominator. My least common denominator here is going to be 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 3 times 2 to get me a denominator of 6. Whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator as well. How do I make this guy have a denominator of 6? Multiply by 3. Whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator as well. Now let's do a little bit of multiplication. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we're adding these guys. Whenever you add fractions of the same denominator, you just add the numerators together. 14 plus 15 is 29. 6 and 6, your denominator, stays 6. Now, I need to turn that back into a mixed number. How? Well, let's use long division to find out how many times 6 goes into 29. 6 goes into 29 4 whole times. 4 times 6 is 24, and now we subtract. 29 minus 24 is 5. With no more numbers to drop down, that makes a remainder of 5. How do I turn that into a mixed number? The 4 becomes your whole number that lives out in front. The remainder becomes your numerator, and the old denominator of 6 doesn't change, so that stays 6, and we end up with 4 5/6.